Changes to these settings will be the default for new IOs and line items and won't impact existing ones. So what exactly it means? So we shall take an example and look into that. So this is the DV360 hierarchy where it has partners, under that advertisers are created, campaigns, under that insertion orders, clients, creatives. Let's assume at partner level, when you create, you given 20 exchanges. When you start creating the campaign, you create advertisers, then campaigns and insertion orders. So what happens is, insertion orders and line items will also inherit. Below levels inherit the settings from the above level. So since partner level is targeted with the 20 exchanges, the same will be repeated at insertion order and line item level. As per our previous one, so it is mentioned changes to these settings will be default for new insertion orders. So whatever it is created under these partners, whenever something is new is created, the same settings will be affected. Let's assume once after creation of this, after a month, what I did, I just added 10 more exchanges. So when I add 10 more exchanges, what happens? Let's see. So I created another 2 advertisers. Under that I created campaigns. Now while I creating new IOs and line items, so these 30 exchanges will be inherited by IOs and line items. Whereas existing one, so this is existing one, this is new one. New one will inherit all the exchanges, 30 exchanges from the partner level. Whereas old one, existing one will not inherit, because as per the notes mentioned here, changes to these settings will be default for new one and won't impact existing. It says, so this is how it works. When you give some targeting, inventory source targeting some exchanges, what happens is existing will not get affected, whereas new one will get affected. Affected in the sense new one will inherit. So with this, what happens is we can save lot of time and money. So no need to add 10 more exchanges every time when you create new IOs. So it will automatically get inherited.